As we reflect on the markets in 2023 and take it back to our outlook at the beginning of the year has largely played out as we thought. That is, inflation is at a much lower level than where we were a year ago, interest rates have stabilized, central banks have paused with any further rate increases, and the equity markets have rebounded strongly from the lows of 2022. As we lay out our outlook for 2024, we see the year being dominated by 6 key themes. The first one is that recessions come in many different shapes and sizes, and that the year will be dominated by differences across the various regions economically. The second theme is with a strong labor market, any economic weakness is likely to be a little bit more muted than otherwise expected. The third theme has to do with fixed income. With inflation having peaked in 2022 and interest rates having normalized, we see the fixed income environment as more attractive than at any time in the last 20 years. The fourth theme is that valuations as well are very attractive. Equity market valuations are at levels that are much improved from where we were at the beginning of the year or even in 2022. The fifth theme has to do with geopolitical risk and its impact on volatility in the markets. But more importantly, we need to distinguish between sentiment-driven volatility versus fundamentally driven volatility. And lastly, our sixth theme is, what if it goes right? With so many market participants focused on the negative, they may be missing some of the inflection points that suggest 2024 might be a better year than expected. For a deeper dive on these as well as other themes, please follow our 2024 Outlook. And on behalf of the entire IG team, we wish you a happy and prosperous new year.